everyone, it's Nicola again from Early Years Playtime, and today I thought we'd do a bit of cooking. Some nice easy cooking. I thought we'd make some Rice Crispy squares using marshmallows today, and all of this can be done in the microwave. So I'm just going to let you know now the ingredients and the equipment that you need. I've got 25 grams of marshmallows. I've got mini ones. I've got a tablespoon of unsalted butter, and I've got 25 grams of Rice Krispies. And all of this can be done in the microwave, so nice and quick. So I'm going to start by getting this big bowl, and in there I'm going to put the marshmallows and the butter. And we're going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, okay? So we can pop this in here. 30 seconds. Okay, so after 30 seconds, we're going to take it out the microwave and we are going to give it a good mix up until it's all mixed together. Next, we're going to add in all of the Rice Krispies. And then we're going to give it a good mix again until it's all combined. Okay, I think mine is ready. It's all sticky. Yum. So what we're going to do is we're now going to pour all of this into our dish. Now I've lined mine with grease-proof paper, but you can use butter in yours. And we're going to pour it all in and we're going to flatten it down with the spoon. Okay, so I've now flattened all of mine down using my spoon so it covers the whole way round. Now we're going to leave this to rest for a little while, come back and check it in a little bit, and then we'll cut it up and then we can eat some. Yum yum. So I've left the Rice Krispie cake to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. You might need longer, and I think it's ready. So what we're going to do now is we're going to cut them into squares. Now you might need to ask an adult to help you, okay, because I'm going to use a very sharp knife. So we're going to cut them into squares. Oh, look at that. That looks delicious. And I've got a plate here ready. We're going to keep going until we've cut all of this into squares, and then they'll be ready to eat. Right, they're all done. Now it's time to try them. Yum yum. I hope you enjoy eating yours too. Let me know what you think. You can always make more by adding some more mixture in at the beginning, doubling up the Rice Krispies, the marshmallows and the butter, and you'll be able to make some more as well. Okay, hopefully I'll be able to do some more cooking videos with you another time. Good luck. Hope they go well. And don't forget to give my little page a thumbs up and subscribe for me. I'll see you again soon. Bye.